Hello my lovely foodie members, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you the simple yet delicious egg and sausage tomato stew. It came out so nice, the taste was just amazing, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try after watching this video. If today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with F. Here I do cooking recipes right here. So if you love what you're seeing, can you subscribe and be part of this beautiful family? Now without wasting my time, let's dive right into it. So to a heated pot, I'll go in with my coconut oil. I will allow it to heat up a little bit. Then I'll go in with some natural spices to give the oil extra taste or flavor. So anytime I really want to have a very good taste of what I'm preparing, I always do this because it always gives the oil very good flavor and I love it so much. So after the spices has also done its own thing, I'll go in with some blended garlic, ginger, pepper and some onions. And don't worry, as usual, I'm going to be listing the ingredients in the description box for you to check it out, so you can check it out after this video. Alright, so after adding in the blended ingredients, I'll give it a good mix. I'll cover and allow the water in the blended ingredients to drain out a little bit. So remember as well to keep an eye on it so that it doesn't burn. So I'll be frying this on low medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes and I'll check on it again. And at this point, as you can see, it's a little bit runny, indicating that I still have some water in it, so it's not done. So I'll give it a good mix, cover it again for about 5 to 10 minutes on low medium heat, and it should be ready. So after frying the salt for about 5 to 10 minutes, it is all done. As you can see, I don't have any water or moist in it, indicating that it is ready. So moving forward, I'll go in with my tomato paste. If you don't love tomato paste, you can also use fresh tomatoes, but I will be using both in this recipe. After going in with the tomato paste, I'll give it a good mix. Some is frozen, so I'll cover, I will not disturb it, and allow it to melt very well. And after about 10 minutes, this is how it looks like. It has really melted very well, and that's just perfect. So moving forward, I'll give it a good mix. I'll cover and allow it to fry for about 5 to 10 minutes for the tomatoes to cook very well. And after 10 minutes, I'll give it a gentle stir again. And at this point, the tomatoes is all done. So I'll go in with my fresh tomatoes. As I said, you can use one if that is what you prefer, right? I'll give it a good mix as well. I'll cover and allow the fresh tomatoes to also loosen up a little bit. I don't really love to overcook my fresh tomatoes, so I won't be doing that in this recipe. You can as well cook it for about 30 to 40 minutes if that is what you want, all right? But 5 to 15 minutes should be enough. While that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my video, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so after about 10 to 15 minutes of cooking the fresh tomatoes, it is all done and just perfect. So moving forward, I'll go in with my seasoning, and for seasoning, I'll be going in with some nutmeg. Next, I'll be going in with some stew seasoning powder, shrimp seasoning powder, and just a little bit of salt. But for the salt, I'll be going in later because I want to cook this to see if the salt is okay or not. For the seasoning as well, use any seasoning powder of your choice. I'll give it a good mix and allow the seasoning to also cook until the tomatoes taste amazing. Alright, so whilst that is going on, let's go ahead and fry our sausages because I'll be using sausage for this recipe. You can also use any protein of your choice. So to a heated oil, I'll go in with my chopped sausages. I'll fry on low medium heat until it becomes very crispy outside and very juicy inside. So now let's fry it until it's nice and ready. Once we frying our sausages as well, don't forget as well to give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this video as well. And also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so while the sausage is done, we are also back to check on our stew, and as you can see, it's doing all good and looking all delicious. So I'll go in with my eggs. I'm using 4 eggs for this recipe. Use any amount of eggs that you want, so 4 is just perfect for this. Alright, and afterwards I'll sprinkle a little bit of salt with. Remember, I didn't go in with salt when going in with other seasoning, so this is the perfect time for me to go in with the salt because it also allows the eggs to really become scrambled very well. So I'll cover it on low medium heat, and after about 5 minutes, this is how it looks like. The eggs is becoming together very nicely and I just love it. So I'll give it a gentle stir, and afterwards I'll go in with my sausages as well because I don't have time. I just can't get ready to eat this deliciousness. As I said, use any protein of your choice. So after going in with the sausages, I have some chopped onions as well, which will also add extra taste to the stew. I love to go in with some chopped onions after the stew is ready anytime I'm preparing stew. So if you haven't tried this, kindly do it because it is amazing. So I covered the stew for about 5 minutes, and afterwards I'll give it a good mix just the way you see it on the screen right now. As you can see, the stew is coming together very nicely and I just love the end result. Just let me know in the comment section what you think about this egg and sausage tomato stew. I enjoyed mine with rice. You can also enjoy this with yam, plantain, just name it. It goes well with everything that you can think of it. Trust me, you will love this recipe, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do well to subscribe, also turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much, and kindly stay blessed. Bye.